If you're looking to import invoices into Xero quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get those invoices uploaded, saving you time and making your accounting process smoother. This guide is perfect for anyone who's new to Xero and wants to understand how to manage invoices easily. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the process in under 5 minutes. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try out Xero for free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll also get some exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. So let's get started with importing invoices. First, let's go over the 2 main ways you can import invoices into Xero, manually and automatically. Each method can be useful depending on your business needs. The manual way is pretty straightforward. First, log into your Xero account. On the dashboard, find the Accounts menu and click on Sales. This will bring you to your sales overview. Now click on New Invoice and you can enter the invoice details manually. You'll input the invoice number, customer, date, amount, and any taxes or discounts. Once done, save the invoice and you're good to go. Simple, right? But what if you have a lot of invoices to import, or if you're working with an external tool or software? That's where the automatic import method comes in. Xero makes it easy to upload invoices in bulk using CSV files. Here's how. Prepare your CSV file with the invoice details formatted correctly. Make sure your file includes the necessary columns like the invoice number, customer, date, and total amount. You can usually export this file from your existing software, like an e-commerce platform or CRM, and Xero will accept it. To upload, go to your Xero dashboard, navigate to Accounts, and then to Sales. Next, select Import and choose the file you want to upload. Xero will then prompt you to map your CSV columns to the correct fields in Xero. After you map the fields, hit Import and your invoices will be added to Xero instantly. It's really that simple. Xero does a great job of helping you save time and avoid manual errors when dealing with bulk data. It even supports importing from other accounting systems if you're transitioning. Now, for some of the more advanced features, if you use software like PayPal, Stripe, or even some CRM systems, you can integrate those tools directly with Xero. This means your invoices will be automatically synced without needing to upload CSV files manually. Xero offers a wide range of integrations, so if you're running an online store or working with multiple software tools, you're covered. For those of you handling international invoices or dealing with multi-currency transactions, Xero makes it easy to import and manage invoices in different currencies. You just need to set up your base currency and Xero will automatically calculate the conversions when you import invoices. One last thing to remember, always review your imported invoices to make sure everything looks right before finalizing. Xero has a validation system, but a quick double check can save you headaches later on. To wrap it up, importing invoices into Xero, whether manually or automatically, is a smooth process that will make your accounting much more efficient. And don't forget, you can try Xero for free and get access to an exclusive extended trial by clicking the link below. It's a no-brainer if you're looking for a simple way to keep track of your invoices while saving time. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined accounting experience with Xero.